Good morning. Come to you this morning with an 06 Dodge Cummins diesel, 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive. This is the customer's first diesel that he's ever owned, and I sure wish that he'd had somebody with him when he went and looked at this, because she's got some pretty good issues and had some issues before he brought it here. A lot of stuff was covered up on this truck, and if he had somebody with him that could have seen what was going on, they'd have probably stopped him. We'll go underneath here. I'll show you. There's a hole in the oil pan right there. That's not supposed to be there. And then we'll come across over to this side. There's a sight glass in the side of the block. You can see the rod dangling. Then if you go back here by the starter, there's another hole in the block. That rod come out and smacked the side of the starter. I got to looking here, and there's a tube that comes down, and I went and looked at it up on top, and it hooks up to the vent tube for the engine crankcase pressure. That looks kind of suspicious, so I thought that I would follow it down. I found where it comes down, comes back, goes along the frame right here. Comes in behind the transfer case, goes up, disappears in behind the fuel tank. So we'll take and walk to the back of the fuel tank. You see the tube? It comes out right there, rubber hose. Comes all the way back and around, comes out by the homemade exhaust. Somebody was trying to cover up the crankcase pressure. She had some pretty good blow by. You can see it on the spare tire hanger there. You can see it all across the back here where it's been blowing oil. That's not normal. Somebody did a pretty fine job trying to hide that. If you come up here to this exhaust, right there at the clamp, I've got oil leaking out of the exhaust. Nice piece of flex pipe. Right there where the hanger's at, I got another spot of oil. It's seeping out of every orifice on this. Another clamp with oil. Kind of impressed with this homemade exhaust here. So we take and follow this up. And look at the back side of the turbo. Turbo slobbering oil pretty good. So between that and the blow-by, this engine was dropping quite a little bit of oil out of it. Wish he'd have had somebody to take and look her over for him. We've got a few other issues we got to take care of on it. He's got a bad case of death wobble. Got a universal joint here that's kind of bad. We got to take care of that. Got the bushings wore right out of the rear spring. This is on the right side. Got bushings on the left side that are wore out. So you people out there, if you're planning on buying you a diesel to upgrade, get somebody that knows a little bit about it. Have a mechanic look it over, or a shop. Because when people, this isn't right when people take and hide the issues and stuff. This just is not right. you want to take and beware of this stuff, because there is slippery people out there that will take advantage of you. So just make sure that you guys know what you're getting into. Have somebody look it over. Y'all have a great day, and be safe out there. We'll see you all around. Bye.